A typical ball and seat design provides quick and clean adhesive beads. However, at some point, char may find its way to the nozzle orifice and get stuck, resulting in line downtime and possible cost for module replacements. The Nordson SureBead applicator is designed to help you save time and money. With its needle and seat design and integrated Saturn reduced cavity nozzle, SureBead provides you with a virtual clog-free operation. SureBead's quality performance minimizes line downtime and maintenance. Nordson's SureBead applicator is able to break down pieces of char to help keep adhesive flowing smoothly and free of contaminants. A patented secondary shutoff is added as a safety feature in case the melter is inadvertently not depressurized before a nozzle change. SureBead modules feature color-coded plates to identify air open, air close, or air open spring close actuation. Let SureBead applicators help you increase your productivity, reduce your maintenance, and minimize downtime.